Hello everyone. Welcome to LearnPress tutorial videos for LearnPress. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to use Content Drip Premium add-on for LearnPress. With this add-on, you can choose to create a schedule for each lesson, quiz and assignment in your courses, or publish all items immediately right after the student enrolled to the course. Generally, Content Drip add-on will help you to manage opening time for your courses following your schedule. And of course, before using the add-on, you need to upload it on the Plugins tab and then install and activate. Now, your add-on is ready for you. To set up for the course, visit LearnPress, Courses. Click Add New or choose any existed course that you want to enable the add-on. I will choose the courses I have already created. Scroll down to Courses Settings. Choose Content Drip tab. Enable the option Enable Content Drip and select drip type. As you can see here that there are 3 drip types. Type 1. Specific time after enrolled course. This means the course items will be opened after students enrolled to course specific time. Type 2. Open the course items sequentially. This means the items will be opened after the previous ones are completed. For example, lesson number 2 after completed lesson number 1. Open lesson number 3 after completed lesson number 2. And so on. Type 3. Open item bases on prerequisite items. This means the course items will be opened after completed prerequisite ones. For example, I will choose type 1. Specific time after enrolled course. Then, scroll up to Update Settings. After that, you can go to Course Settings, Content Drip tab, and click Settings to set up for the opening time of each course item. A setting page will be opened in New tab. Here, in the first column, you will see all the course's lessons, quizzes and assignments listed, with the order in your course curriculum. In the last column, it's your choice to choose the time. You will have 3 options. Immediately after specific date. You can choose immediately, if you want this item to be available right after the students enroll to the course. You can choose after and set the time. For example, 2 days. If you want this item to be available 2 days after the students enroll to the course. You can choose specific date and set the date. For example, the 20th of December 2018. If you want this item to be available only from the 20th of December 2018. Then, remember to click Update. Close the tab and go back to Course Setting page. Scroll up and click Update. Besides, with the Type 2, you don't need to setting for each item. But similarity with Type 3. You can click Setting here to set up the prerequisite items for each lesson, quiz and assignment. A new tab is being opened. In the prerequisite column, you can choose the item you want to be prerequisite. For example, with Lesson 3, I choose Lesson 2. That means the students need to complete Lesson 2 to open Lesson 3. Then after setting, click Update. Close the tab and come back to Course Setting page. Click Update. Well, that's all about Content Drip add-on for LearnPress. Hope you will find it is easier to use. Please like and subscribe if this video is useful for you. And if you want to get more tutorial video from us. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial videos.